welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Welcome back. This is part 2 of episode 150. If you saw the last episode, I made some cauliflower wings with some cashew batter, and I had like 6 different seasonings and stuff, and it was great. Now this time I decided to do Chef Mal's version, which is the one I found Chef Mal on Instagram, and he did it with oat milk batter. So I was like, okay, that's a different idea. I never tried that before, because I made cauliflower wings back in October 2015, and when I did that was episode 22, and I did episode 23. Now episode 23, I used vegan sour cream. So I never thought to use, like, you know, plant-based milk, because I didn't know. I just became a vegan in 2015 in June, so I didn't know all the options of batter. So I decided to use vegan sour cream back in 2015 in October. But then I started doing cashew batter, and then I got an idea from Chef Mal to do oat milk, and I did that. And I did 6 different seasonings with that. I did a hot sauce, Nashville hot, I did a curry, and all kind of other stuff. And also I did a Korean barbecue as well too. Now if you want to know how to make Korean barbecue, I did my homemade barbecue. I did that on episode 142 back in February. On episode 142 back last year, 2023, I did like 6 different sauces. I did teriyaki sauce, hot honey, and all kind of stuff. So yeah, check that episode out. But yeah, I did Korean barbecue, and I made also, I did the stewed cauliflower, and it's so good. Look, oh, hold on, let me get the presentation. Hold on. Look at the presentation here. Woo! Doesn't that look good? Yeah, Chef Plush2x doing it. What that say right there? What that say right there? What that say? We'll eat here again. I sure would. I sure would. I be decorating my food here. This is an artwork right here. Look at it. It looks so good. Anyway, let me get back to the food. This one here is Nashville hot. This one here is a curry. This one here is Sazon seasoning. And then this one is Sazon seasoning with annatto and coriander, because they know they got 2 different kinds. And then this one is a hot sauce that I put with the oat milk. And then this one is just hot sauce and flour, no oat milk. I just did this one with hot sauce and the flour. And this one here is the adobo garlic powder, and then that was that adobo garlic powder, and then I battered that one with the oat milk as well. And yeah, and then I did some roasted one here. Part 1, I ate it, but you can see behind the scene that I did it. So I did another one. I had to cook some more roasted one because I didn't have it on part 1, but I did have it on behind the scene. But I ate it and I couldn't show it on part 1, so I decided to make some more. This is the roasted one here. This is the hot sauce. This is the Sazon. This is the adobo and curry and garlic powder. Not curry, adobo and garlic powder. This is Nashville hot. And this is the curry, and this is just the plain roasted, if you want to know what it looks like. And this is also battered without any anything. Oh yeah, you can use water too to batter if you don't have oat milk. I just said that. And this is the Korean barbecue, and I do my Korean barbecue 2 different ways. One is barbecue sauce, soy sauce, and agave. And then I add this one here is barbecue sauce, soy sauce, agave, and hot sauce. So that's 2 different ways that I do my Korean barbecue. And this is the one that I battered. And this is the one that I roasted. And this is it. Yeah. Chef Plush2x doing her thing. That's right. Stay tuned for more Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. And have a good day. Bye. Mwah. Also, I got it wrong last time. Last time I said I look as good as I cook. I cook as good as I look. Alright. Take care. Bye.